My colleague Kamaljeet Sandhu is also joining me. Kamaljeet.
Well, it's Congress versus BJP in a very bipolar fight. We have with us Naveen Jindal. He's on a way for horse riding. But do tell us, are you going to steal the thunder? Will you gallop through these particular polls?
I think we'll do very well because last 10 years BJP has done very well in Haryana for all sections of the society. So I am sure that people of Haryana will vote for BJP today.
A lot of people would say that, you had a very limited tenure in BJP. You crossed over sometime in March. What is the difference? And you believe, because obviously there is a 10-year anti-incumbency. How do you really see that?
So look, some amount of anti-incumbency is obvious, but also there is a huge section of society which feels that BJP has worked really well. I mean, they were able to get jobs, on merit, and the poor section of the society, they have really benefited from the various schemes. People have a lot of confidence in the leadership of Mr. Modi and our Chief Minister Naib Saini. So I think we're going to do very well.
You have a very tough assignment because you're also representing Kurukshetra, Member of Parliament, but also because Ladwa falls under, and it's said to be a tough fight between CM Naib Singh Saini and Meva Singh, who's the sitting MLA of the Congress.
So look, my house here is in Ladwa. So we are in Ladwa right now, and I can assure you that Chief Minister Naib Saini is going to win by a huge margin.
Again, we're talking about a lot of infighting taking place in BJP, something you would have seen in Congress as well. Your own mother, Savitri Jindal, she's the richest candidate of the country. She's fighting polls. I mean, is it not like a dharam sankat for you? Because obviously, you are the youngest son, and here you're a member of parliament from BJP. She's contesting as an independent.
So see, that's her wish. That's her wish. We are all, we are all separate people. And the people of Hisar, they really want her. And she wants to serve the people. She only has one objective, and that is to serve the people of Hisar. And I think it's people of Hisar who are going to win.
The people of Hisar are going to win. But do tell us, how do you see this? Because it's a 90-seat thing, and we are also looking at a very tough competition. How do you see your overall perspective?
So I think everyone's going to be surprised. Like people were surprised for Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan. Remember, when there were elections, when there were state elections held in these states, everybody was saying, oh, Congress is going to do really well in Chhattisgarh, Congress is going to do really well in Madhya Pradesh. And then what happened? So similarly here, because BJP has done a lot of work, a lot of groundwork and real work, not just talk. And BJP has silent voters, So I feel that we are going to surprise you, and BJP will do very well.
That's Naveen Jindal speaking to us live and exclusive on India Today, and obviously a very confident MP. And this is where things are going to be very different this time around, because remember, 10 years BJP has been in power.
Right,
they had a divorce with the JJP just some time back. There's been a change of face, a change of guard. So a whole lot of things happening in BJP. But will they be able to convince the voters? Today is the day the voters decide.